Now we are going to see how we can enter a chart as per the data in a very fast and efficient way. Normally what we do is we select the data, go to insert, and then from the chart select the chart which we want. Instead of this, what we can do is we can select data, press Alt F1, and automatically the default chart comes into the worksheet. It gets inserted in the same worksheet. Now if you don't want this chart which has come by default, then you can change the chart type from change chart type and select the data, select the particular chart. Hope Alt F1 for inserting a chart in a very quick and efficient way is clear.